Absolutely unbelievable. There's still some standing water in here that didn't get pumped out. That was my furnace, You can see it was up to there, which means the water heater was completely submerged. I don't even know where to begin. We're gonna do this one day at a time, I guess. Oh my hell. I can't even believe it.